Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, low miles, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, satellite radio, steering wheel controls, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2012 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, rear defrost, climate control automatic, FWD. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.